Did you know that one of the most effective organic gardening methods has been used for centuries by indigenous cultures worldwide? Companion planting for pest control harnesses nature's own synergistic relationships between plants to create a balanced ecosystem right in your backyard. This ancient practice not only deters harmful insects, but also attracts beneficial predators that naturally keep pest populations in check. When certain plants grow together, they create mutually beneficial relationships that strengthen their resilience against environmental stressors. For instance, the pungent aroma of marigolds actively repels aphids and nematodes while simultaneously attracting pollinators that enhance fruit production in nearby vegetables. Interestingly, companion planting works through multiple mechanisms simultaneously. Some plants confuse pests through their strong scents, effectively masking the smell of their preferred host plants. Others, like nasturtiums, act as sacrificial trap crops by luring pests away from more valuable plants. Meanwhile, certain herbs emit volatile compounds that disrupt the feeding and mating patterns of destructive insects. The tomato garden provides a perfect example of companion planting for pest control in action. When basil grows alongside tomatoes, it repels tomato hornworms and mosquitoes while improving flavor and growth. Similarly, borage strengthens tomato plants' resistance to pests while attracting beneficial pollinators with its vibrant blue flowers. This harmonious relationship demonstrates how thoughtfully selected plant combinations can create a resilient garden ecosystem. Perhaps the most renowned companion planting system is the Native American Three Sisters method, where corn beans and squash grow synergistically. The corn provides structural support for climbing beans, which fix nitrogen in the soil, while squash's broad, prickly leaves shade the soil and deter raccoons and other pests. This ingenious system exemplifies how companion planting enhances both soil fertility and natural pest management. Aromatic herbs play a particularly crucial role in natural pest management strategies. Strongly scented varieties like rosemary, thyme, and mint confuse and repel many common garden pests through their essential oils. Furthermore, these herbs attract predatory insects such as parasitic wasps and hoverflies, which voraciously consume aphids, caterpillars, and other destructive insects that might otherwise devastate your crops. Flowers, often underestimated in vegetable gardens, serve as powerful allies in pest management. Calendula, with its sticky stems, traps aphids before they reach prized vegetables. Meanwhile, sunflowers attract beneficial insects while distracting birds from ripening fruits and vegetables. Additionally, sweet alyssum creates habitat for ground beetles that devour slugs, snails, and various soil-dwelling pests throughout their life cycle. Common vegetables themselves can form mutually protective relationships when strategically arranged. Carrots and leeks, when planted alternately in rows, confuse each other's primary pests, carrot flies and leek moths, respectively, by masking the scent profiles that these insects use to locate their host plants. Similarly, radishes protect cucumbers from cucumber beetles, while cucumbers' sprawling growth habit provides beneficial shade for radish roots. Contrary to popular belief, companion planting isn't simply about placing random plants together and hoping for positive results. The practice requires understanding plant families, growth habits, and chemical interactions. For instance, plants within the same family often share susceptibility to specific diseases and pests, making diverse interplanting especially important. Additionally, some plants release compounds that inhibit the growth of certain neighbors, necessitating careful planning and plant selection.